Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see how to download, install and run NeuronEX software in the Linux using virtuallabs.online. So I'm going to use this virtuallabs.online platform to create my own Linux server. Okay, and in that Linux server we are going to see how you can download, install and run the NeuronEX software, which is industrial age data hub platform, okay, to collect the data from different industrial devices. So let's see how you can download, install and run NeuronEX software in the Linux. And to do that, we have to follow some steps. Okay, and here is the steps. I will provide this link in the description of this video. Also, I will add the link here. Okay, and you can open this link and you can follow these steps. Now I have the Linux, which is Amazon Linux 2023. Okay, and I'm going to follow these steps. So first we will download this file. Okay, so we will copy this and then we will paste it here. Okay, so it will download our NeuronEX software, and then after we will copy this command to install it. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. Okay, it is done. Now we can use the last command to run the neuron, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, and it is running. Now how to access the NeuronEX software? So to do that, you have to copy the public IP address of your Linux machine, or you can also use localhost IP address. Okay, so this is the public IP address of my Linux virtual server. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to open the new private window. I'm going to paste it here, and then we can use 8085 port to access the NeuronEX web dashboard. Okay, so you can see we are accessing it and here it is running. Okay, the username is admin. Okay, the default username is admin and the default password is 0000. You can hit enter, and then after you will log into the NeuronEX industrial platform software. Okay, so this is how you can install NeuronEX in the Linux operating system using tar.gz file. Okay, so you can follow this installation guide to install the NeuronEX in the Linux operating system. Okay, you can also install the NeuronEX using RPM package or Debian package. If you are using Raspberry Pi, then we can use this Debian package. Okay, so that thing we are going to cover in the future videos, but this video is mainly focusing on how to install NeuronEX software in the Linux operating system. Okay, so that thing we have covered. So I have used virtuallabs.online to create my own Amazon Linux server, and here is the command line of the Amazon Linux server. The first command we will use is the wget command to get the file of NeuronEX software, and then after we will use this to command to extract the file. Okay, and this is the command to navigate into that folder, and then after we will run this NeuronEX file to run our NeuronEX platform, and we can access our NeuronEX platform using 8085 port with public IP address or localhost IP address of that server. And if you're using Ubuntu or if you're using any other Linux, then you can use command ipconfig or ifconfig to find the IP address of your system, and then you can use that IP address to access the NeuronEX platform. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any questions or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also, you can comment on this video. Also, you can send me a mail. Now we will meet you in the next video, and in the next video we will see how to install Neuron in the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so stay tuned for the future videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.